background, I'm Amy Zhang, a software engineer. I've worked at Google for 8 years. I've worked on products from smart IoT to machine learning at Google. Now I am starting my own company, making a mobile application for helping people to make purchases. One of the most important things about early education, I think, is fun. So the kids have to have fun while using the products. And that is the main strength of Cubroid. Just like playing with Lego, kids can use Cubroid to learn how to code and at the same time have fun. Using the simple and intuitive interface, kids can learn how to use Cubroid easily, even without the help of the adults. And even kids who doesn't know how to read or write, they can use Cubroid to learn coding. Cubroid supports a staged phase of education from very simple coding like Scratch and all the way to machine learning. So kids can learn how to code using Cubroid and have fun from even at the very early stage to the most complex algorithms like machine learning. Using Cubroid, kids can make anything possible that they can imagine and have fun with it, which is the most important thing. I think that using Cubroid, kids can have fun and play with it and become a great software engineers.
Hi, my name is Alex and I'm really happy and I'm really excited to be here today to introduce you to this amazing program that, like, honestly, I can't get enough of it. Like, this is literally for every single age, whatever you can think of, 2-year-olds, 7-year-olds, 70-year-olds, you're gonna have so much fun. So who hasn't known about Lego? I think pretty much every single person in the world has known about Lego, how to play Lego. So the company Cubroid was established in 2017 and it's all about technology, which I love, and second, it's all about education. So who doesn't love technology? Who doesn't love education? So this is coding blocking. So what do? Is like, we're gonna learn to do coding with the blocks. So as we know, technology is advancing every single day, and what I love about this is, like, kids, as I say, 2-year-olds, 3-year-olds, are going to be learning coding from a very, very young age. So it wasn't common, you know, like these days, we learn coding to do games, to do computer programming and software, but not for kids. So having this amazing thing for kindergartens, primary school, high school is just absolutely brilliant. So let me show you a little bit of how the program works. So as you can see, you see, like, it's like Lego. So like you can see, so like all the shapes that we have that I'm going to show you in a little while. We have all the color coding blocks. So like, for example, we've got the red one on our little robot over here. So red one is like light and touch sensor. So every single one has a different usage. Like, for example, like we've got the green one. The green one is a sound block. So I'm going to show you the apps that as well that we have and all the different usage that we've got. So to be honest, this is pretty amazing. It's going to be connected through Wi-Fi to the computer and also through the app. So everything that you need is going to be here on this beautiful box. Very super nice, organized. There you go. Like, there's a wheel here. So there's so many shapes that we can see. Let me show you something. Like, for example, we have a robot right here. We can also make different, you got a car. You can make a dinosaur, and I think like kids are gonna love this. Every single kid loves dinosaurs. You can make a little poodle, look, a little puppy. So there's so many things that you can think of, like, that you can make. Today I'm going to show you with the robot, but obviously at home you can try with a different shape. Anything that you can think of, you can follow that one, or you can do a completely different one. So let me show you the ones that we've got. We're going to put our little robot here. So for example, for that one, this is the machine learning one. So with the machine learning, we can easily use the it's going to be image recognition, which I'm going to show you. Then we also have the machine image and sound. So that's going to be with the sound, which is one of the colors that we got right here. Then also, for example, we've got the Face tracking. So with the face tracking, then this is a way for kids to be learning about the face parts and coding everything in the computer. I mean, it sounds very tech savvy, and like kids are absolutely gonna love this. And like, for example, we have finger tracking. So you see, so as you move your fingers, then whatever you're making here, the robot, the dinosaur, that's also gonna be moving as well. So we've got our little robot here. So I'm gonna give you a little demonstration here on how to use our little friend. So let's see. So for example, we're going to try the machine learning one. So with the machine learning, let me make sure that I'm actually in front of the camera. And then, so like, for example, if I do, then it goes right. If I do that one, then it goes left. So you see, so like the purpose for this one, it's like for you to be able to code on the machine and like what the robot is going to do. So, you know, as I said, it's like education purposes for like every single kid. Like it's pretty amazing of like how you do this. Do you know what I mean? It literally blows my mind of how spectacular this is. So we can see like, so like, let me show you here. So these are the coding that we're going to be using. So you are familiarized with the program. So like, imagine your 4-year-old already coding programs and making like amazing inventions. Like when they're 20, they're going to be making amazing things around the world. So this is how it looks. So you can choose a different program, and then you can also choose the different shape of what you want to be learning. So you see, so like as I move my right hand or my left hand, like it immediately recognizes what I should be doing at the moment. One of the things that I love about like the company and everything else is that it's actually offering us like all around the world, more than 46 countries around the world. So Korea is educating the world, is educating children. And for me, it's absolutely brilliant to prioritize education. Look, he's very excited too, same as me. And to prioritize education, and we have educated children to just imagine what they're going to be making in the future, not even 20 years, 5, 10 years. So more than 86 countries, you can actually choose the language as well within the program. And honestly, I'm just too excited to have this with you guys. So remember, coding blocking looks like a Lego. We've got different shapes in over 46 countries. So honestly, kudos for the company for being so amazing and bringing this into the world. So thank you very much for being with us today, and enjoy you coding blocking. Thank you.